Okay, this is the unboxing of the Eargo 5 so that you can see, as I see, what comes in the box. And looks like this guy kind of bit the dust in transit, but here it is, the box for the Eargo 5. And it looks like the packaging is certainly a little bit different from the previous versions. Keep in mind I have the Max, the Neo, and the Neo Hi-Fi, and now the Eargo 5. So let's take the sleeve, open this guy up, set that to the side. And the typical, the world is waiting. And of course you are first presented with what seems to be smaller than the previous versions. The case is. And right there are the units. And that is certainly different. They seem to kind of drop into place and have magnetic charging, so that's great. We're going to set this to the side. Charge 4 hours before use. Of course, that's going to happen. So get rid of this. And it is a USB-C cable that comes with it. You have your quick start guide. And then, of course, they always give you one of these microfiber cloths that goes with it. And that gives you a chance to clean the units as you're going through, and a USB charging brick, and then there's going to be a couple of things. It looks like this is going to be the pedals, as they're called, and those are certainly different than the previous versions. I'm not quite sure what the top ones are. I'll have to check that out, but I'll be doing a detailed initial impressions once I those are the mic caps, so those must be the protectors that are a little bit different than the previous versions. And then here's the closed pedal ones, which is kind of interesting. So they only give you 2 additional of the previous version, or of the protectors, which is no big deal. Those things do have a tendency to last a while. So we're going to put all this stuff back in here, and that's pretty much it. These things are certainly tiny. When I do my initial impressions, I will go through and show the difference in size to the previous versions. Previous versions are all pretty much the same size, but this case is definitely smaller. I can tell by feel that it does seem to be a little bit smaller. Maybe it's just thinner, maybe it's just an optical illusion, who knows. But that has been an unboxing of the Eargo 5. Now, once I get these things all charged up and running, and I've had a chance to speak to the audiologist and kind of go through all of that, I will be giving a detailed review, so stay tuned for that. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.